take a baker's dozen to get my point to you? Or would it take a half a pound to roll that joint for you? Or would it take some Hail Mary so full of grace to get my sound to you? Will you help me break it down and get on through? Now to the other side. It's easy if you only try. We don't lie down on the job, oh no. Because once we hit the top, there's no stopping us. No. Ain't no stopping us. Should I address all my letters to the well-to-be? Or should I say return to senders just to well be done? Or should I better not take it so personally? If all the good loving is never received, baby, if it was me, well, I wouldn't think twice. No, not I.
I know the sun is hot, mosquitoes come, suck your blood and leave you there, all alone, just skin and bone.
Ya estamos. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué digo? ¿Qué digo? ¿Qué digo? Que no te entiendo. ¿Qué digo? Que no te entiendo. ¿Eh? ¿Pero qué dices? Do you speak English? English. ¿Qué bol? Ya, ya. ¿Y la pasta? ¿Dónde está la cartera? ¿Dónde está la cartera? ¿Y la pasta qué? Por los cojones te voy a dar. Sin dinero nada, no hay para una galleta. Claro, claro. Claro, no. Claro, hombre.
Che, ponele una caña. Ah, que yo también soy inmigrante, me lo tuve que currar,
Anda huevo.
Bueno, gracias. Buen día,